Alexithymia is the inability to express one's feelings and recognize others. It is sometimes called emotional deafness or insensitivity. A person with alexithymia does not recognize his emotions well. It is often difficult for him to separate them from bodily sensations, for example, anxiety from hunger. He has difficulty describing his feelings in words, and he doesn't know how to tell other people about them. There is evidence that alexithymia occurs in 1 in 10 people. From the point of view of medicine, it is not a disease or a mental illness. It is considered a symptom, one of the manifestations of mental illness. An in-depth study of emotional color blindness can shed light on a number of concomitant diseases such as anorexia, schizophrenia, irritable bowel syndrome. What exactly causes alexithymia is not known for certain. It is possible that it may be congenital, that is associated with some genetic disorders or problem in the structures of the brain. Acquired alexithymia can manifest itself under the influence of the environment or, for example, due to psychological trauma. Of those who suffer from these disorders, about half are autistic. An important, though less sensational discovery may be Gerlich Dober thanks to tomography is that people with alexithymia have abnormal neural connections. Perhaps the researchers suggested this creates additional transmission noise, something like interference in a poorly tuned radio receiver, and communication with emotional zone is disrupted, respectively. Richard Lane of Arizona State University offers as an analogy the phenomenon of vision loss in people who have suffered an injury to the visual cortex. The eyes themselves are not affected. Nevertheless, the ability to distinguish visual images is lost. There are people who become alexic as a result of psychological trauma that disrupts their ability to process some or even all emotions. Consulting the conversation, it should be emphasized that emotional color blindness does not make a person angry or selfish. It's hard to believe, but it's possible to live completely separate from emotions and imagination or thought. This is exactly what makes us human, but doesn't mean that such a person is heartless or that he is crazy. This information was very interesting for me. If you too, then please like and subscribe.